Good morning everyone. Welcome to Study Light, making your study lighter and easier. आज हम करेंगे क्लास फोर्थ की सेकंड बुक ऑफ एसएसटी का फोर्थ चैप्टर और एग्रीकल्चर, और आज हम करेंगे इसकी बैक एक्सरसाइज। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। सबसे पहले ओरल क्वेश्चंस। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 इज नेम द टू एग्रीकल्चरल सीजन्स एंड द आंसर ऑफ दिस क्वेश्चन इज द टू एग्रीकल्चरल सीजन्स आर ए खरीफ सीजन and B Rabi season. Second question, name two milch cattle. Answer is two milch cattle are cow and buffalo. Now take the correct answers. First, which is the main occupation of the people in India? Options are A banking, B writing, or C farming. And the correct answer is C farming. Second, name the leading producer of sugarcane in India. A Uttar Pradesh, B Haryana, or C Punjab. And the correct answer is A Uttar Pradesh. Third, what is the staple food in eastern and southern India? Options are A rice, B bajra, और C maize. And the correct answer is A rice. अब हम देखते हैं मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चंस, MCQs. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स. फर्स्ट इज why are crops grown by farmers? Options are A to provide food, B to provide raw material to the factories and industries, and C both A and B. And the correct answer is C both A and B. Second, dash is used to make cloth. A cotton, B tea, or C coffee. And the correct answer is A cotton. Third, dash helped in increasing the production of milk. A green revolution, B operation flood, or C operation crops. And the correct answer is B operation flood. Now next exercise, match the following. अब यहाँ कुछ क्रॉप्स दी गई हैं और साथ में दो नाम भी हैं, फूड क्रॉप्स एंड कैश क्रॉप्स. आपको लाइन डालकर इन्हें मैच करना है. सबसे पहले है वीट, जो कि एक फूड क्रॉप है, तो फूड क्रॉप के साथ आप मैच कर दीजिए. सेकंड है जूट, जो कि कैश क्रॉप है. थर्ड है कॉटन, ये भी एक कैश क्रॉप है. और फोर्थ है मिलेट्स, ये एक फूड क्रॉप है. अब हम देखते हैं राइट शॉर्ट आंसर्स. फर्स्ट इज व्हाट डज एग्रीकल्चर इंक्लूड? एंड द आंसर इज एग्रीकल्चर इंक्लूड्स फार्मिंग, हॉर्टिकल्चर, लाइवस्टॉक रियरिंग, फिशिंग एंड फॉरेस्ट्री. Question number 2, name 3 Kharif and 3 Rabi crops. And the answer is 3 Kharif crops are rice, millets and maize, and 3 Rabi crops are wheat, gram and mustard. Question number 3, name 3 millets grown in India. Answer is 3 millets grown in India are jowar, bajra and ragi. Question number 4, what is jute used for? Answer is jute is used for making bags and carpets. Question number 5, what kind of climate is suitable for growing tea? Answer is tea grows well on high land and well drained soil. Question number 6, name the 2 states which are the main producers of spices. Answer is Kerala and Karnataka are the main producers of spices. Now answer the following questions. Question number 1, what is the difference between food crops and cash crops? Give 2 examples of each. Answer is food crops are grown to feed people, for example rice and wheat, while cash crops are sold in the market and also exported to other countries, for example sugarcane and cotton. Second question, how has agricultural production increased in our country? Answer is irrigation facility, good quality seeds, manure and better tools like tractors and harvesters help the farmers in growing better crops. Agricultural institutes help the farmers in adopting modern methods. By all these efforts, agricultural production increased in our country. Question number 3, what is the difference between white revolution and green revolution? Answer number 3, white revolution means increase of the quantity of milk production. Green revolution means improvement in the production of agriculture. Question number 4. How has Operation Flood helped to increase the income of farmers? Answer is Operation Flood helped in increasing the production of milk, and by this it increased the income of the farmers. Now higher order thinking skills. First question. Chand Kumar is a farmer. He stops people from killing bees and other insects. He is of the opinion that our fields exist because of them. There won't be any food if they perish. Why do you think? He says so. Answer is insects are very important because they spread pollen and we cannot grow anything without pollination. Now map work. On the given map of India, mark and name any two states producing the following crops: A. Rice, B. Wheat, C. Coffee, D. Cotton, and E. Jute. Now first of all rice, Assam and West Bengal. Second wheat, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh. Then coffee, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. D. Cotton, Punjab and Gujarat. And in the last, jute. जूट इज़ प्रोड्यूस्ड इन बिहार एंड ओडिशा. अब हम देखते हैं वर्कशीट 1 जो कि चैप्टर 1 से चैप्टर 4 सभी को मिक्स करके बनाई गई है. तो सबसे पहले है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. फर्स्ट इज थॉर्न फॉरेस्ट रिसीव वेरी डैश रेनफॉल एंड द आंसर इज लिटिल. इंडिया इज एन डैश कंट्री. आंसर इज एग्रीकल्चरल. थर्ड इज डैश इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड लावा सॉइल एंड द आंसर इज ब्लैक सॉइल. फोर्थ, Dash Dam is built on river Krishna and the answer is Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Fifth, Dash is the removal of the upper layer of soil by the action of wind or water. Answer is soil erosion. Now identify and name the crops. Also name any two states where these crops are grown. First, millets grown in Bihar and Rajasthan. Second, jute grown in West Bengal and Assam. Third is cotton grown in Punjab and Maharashtra. Now state whether true or false. First is soil is a non-renewable resource. It's false. Second, cash crops are grown to be sold in the market. It's true. Third, forests provide shelter to various birds and animals. It's true. Fourth, a small amount of water on the earth is in the seas and oceans. It's false. Fifth, the Sundarbans is named after the Sundari tree. It's true. Now, give one word answers. First, crops grown to feed people. Answer is cash crops. Second, dam built on river Narmada. Answer is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Third, the movement to prevent cutting down of trees. Answer is Chipko movement. Fourth, soil found in arid regions. Answer is desert soil. Fifth, forests in hilly areas. Answer is mountain forests. Here we have completed back exercise of this chapter. In next video we will meet with next chapter. Till then, take care and thanks for watching my video.